Ooh, oh, you know I am. You know I am. You know I am. You ain't been grinding for days. I need my diamonds and gold. Plus keep on calling my phone. You love how I get him and go. Baby keep calling my line. Told her I'll call her right back. I gotta get to the bag. She love how I get to the cash.
Yep. Airbnb, we have a big pool in the back. It goes to like 7 feet. And my dad, he can't swim.
The water's warm.
The water is really warm. I was expecting it to be cold. I thought it was going to be cold, but it's really not going to be cold.
Hold the camera in front of you. Make sure it's in front of you.
My uncle was right. I am a professional because I am walking backwards as I'm talking to you.
Right, show them around.
And back here, this is a bathroom.
This bathroom is
This is the
nice.
shower. It has 2 shower.
And if you're wondering why everything looks new, it's because we're actually the first guest ever in this Airbnb.
True. And now
First ever.
this is the obviously the toilet. She left a little duck right here. Makes noise. And then back here, we'll save that for the last
Alright.
and final product.
Alright, you want to show them those rooms?
So this is Uncle Lionel's room. This is Uncle Lionel's room. It comes with the ship. It comes with the
Comes with a
bed,
boat.
and it comes with the towels, and it comes with the TV with the little fishes on it. And he has a little watermelon stand where you put your cups on.
Man. It's your boy Trey. Wild Nation Trey, man. Come on, man.
Nyla's dead.
Wild Nation Trey, man. Look at my crib, man.
Hey, show them your new purchase, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
We
Look,
just bought,
that's a
we just
bedroom.
bought it. I said it was an Airbnb, but we bought it.
You know? We about to...
Don't show them! Don't show them! Don't show them! Don't show them!
Oh, okay, we showing the good
For the
stuff last.
last.
You know what I'm saying? Mrs. Zaza in the building.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You feel me?
This is the other bathroom.
This bathroom's nice.
No one going out to use it.
Oh,
It don't
man.
stink, but
Y'all
he's reading a
can't
book.
smell what we smelling right now.
If y'all can, comment
We're just
down
gonna let
below.
you see the beauty of the bathroom.
It's more shit,
And
right?
then come out right here. This is me and my uncle's room. It's like a little thing. If you wonder why this is here, it's my bag with all my clothes in it. And then you come here.
That's all you brought?
I bought more stuff.
I got one dress on the floor.
Obviously, we have a little closet. I can't show y'all the cold. So, let's go to the next room.
Dark in there. There we go.
When you come here, it's like when you walk through, it's like a little step. And you gotta go down. And then there's this little nice pink room with a little couch right here. With a little couch. With a little light. With a little fan. With a little back door.
Yeah, this room is nice too.
Oh, and this. And then when you walk through the room like this.
I'm about to get to the bag. Watch how I get to the cash. I gotta give me a bag. She love how I get to the cash. I'm about to get to the bag. Watch how I get to the cash. My baby said, Daddy, go get it. She love how I get to the cash. Young and been grinding for days. Road to the riches, no breaks. Used to get minimum wage. I hate to go back to them days. I was on couch after couch, making 200 a week. Now the band's coming to mail. I can make that in my sleep. Working 2 jobs just an African boy trying to live the American dream. I can't be washing no dishes. I know I'm a star and I knew it since I was a teen. Scraping the pots for these nickels and dimes, watching them pile on top of the rack. Posty pulled up and said fuck all the slaving in front of the pack, and I never looked back. I took the hold and I broke it to quarters and came back to broad and I did it again. That's when the haters fell out of the sky, and it's funny enough cause we used to be friends. Maybe they know that they shorty's a fan. Maybe they know that I soon be the man. Failure to make it ain't part of the package. J-Lotto got balls like a bottle of Zan. Got frontin' once just to show love, then I draw the line like a sketchbook. Ain't broke down in like 2 years, but these O's move quicker than Westbrook. Hate me or love me, it doesn't affect me, cause I'ma get mine either way. Learn from the OGs and stuck to the book. I swear nothing has changed, I'm just turning the page. Young and been grinding.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
We got the pool right here. We got the little sunroof. This is like the pool. It's really big. Deep. Hey, Gusher, don't go in there. No! She's about to fall.
That's her dad's name. She's Gummy Baby.
Okay, so
Look at this beautiful pool.
maybe later on we'll vlog. We'll vlog while we're inside the pool.
Right.
And she set pools right here. No diving. We can dive if you want it. No running. No food. No glasses. We could also do that if you liked.
Why? Why? Because we do what we want, right?
We do what we want and we break the rules.
Say that again. Say that again.
I said we do whatever we want and we break the rules.
You ain't been grinding for days. I need my diamonds and gold. Let's keep on calling my phone. You love how I get them and go. Baby, keep calling my line. Told her I'll call her right back. I gotta get to the bag. She love how I get to the cash. I'm about to get to the bag. Watch how I get to the cash. I gotta get me a bag. She love how I get to the cash. I'm about to get to the bag. Watch how I get to the cash. My baby said, Daddy, go get it. She love how I get to the cash. I didn't come here to play. Just took a loss on the sack. We had to deal with a blitz. Now we just running it back. Blessings all on blessings, man. I swear I pray for this. Spending money on my baby, nigga. I ain't saving shit.